know what's true and what isn't anymore? You know, we have so many people posting all kinds of things. It is really difficult to get the truth. I mean, even for government officials, it is really, really hard. But one of the things I wanted to do is take the time today to let you guys know that in the comment section of a video that I just posted today, there are a lot of things that are not true, but there's one that I just have time right now to talk about because it talks about my father, and it is a complete lie. Now, this person, I think, might have had their heart in the right place, sort of, kind of, seemed to be trying to defend me, but I don't know where they got this lie from. So I thought I would show you the comment, talk about it, and just encourage you once again to watch the important documentary Dominion before you comment, because a lot of people really don't even understand what veganism is. Let's go over to my computer and I'll show you what's written, and I'll show you what I wrote in response to it. All right? Okay, so first of all, this is the video that I'm referring to. It is a song, and it is about the reasons why I'm vegan. These are parts 1 and 2 in the song, so reasons 1 to 10 and 11 to 20. Okay, first of all, we do have a comment here that is quite nice by this young person who writes, "Miss Katie, thanks for being kind and speaking out for the innocent animals." And that's great. I responded this way: "Thank you for being here. Please help teach vegan facts by telling others why you're vegan and posting that under as many comments as you can for each video. For example, my name is, I'm vegan because." See, rather than just saying thank you to me, which doesn't really help others to understand about veganism, write why you are vegan yourself. Write the documentaries that you saw. Write why you continue despite so much opposition. That would be helpful. Respond to it by copying and pasting your comment as many times as YouTube will allow so that you can help to be a teacher here. All right, here's the comment that I was referring to before. Owen writes, "I kind of respect her because you probably didn't see the video of her saying why she is vegan. It's all because of her dad." That's not true. I'm not vegan because of my dad. Then passed away. Think you mean that passed away or who passed away, and told her to be vegan. That's not true. My father never told me to be vegan. So she did, and now you community people say it's bad? Following their dad's wishes is bad? Well, that depends. If my dad told me to eat meat, I wouldn't follow his wishes. You follow the wishes of people who are good. You follow justice. Anyway, keep continuing here. It says, "This is why the community sucks." I'm not defending her. Why not? Why aren't you defending me? Why aren't you defending the animals? I'm just saying that she wants to follow her dead father's dreams. And, well, I have nothing else to say. So this is an example of somebody who understands that we should be vegan because of the animals. But it is far too difficult for this person to admit that, because if they admitted that it was because of the animals, that would be admitting that their behavior has been atrocious in the past. So they try to find a human to make it the reason to be vegan, but it's not about humans. It's about the victims. So here's what I wrote in response. "I never said that. My father never said that. A good idea for you is to learn how to identify fake videos from real ones." I wrote, "My father died in his sleep from a heart attack. He was not vegan. I'm vegan because it's the right thing to do for the animals. Why would I be vegan for my dad when veganism is a social justice movement for the animals? It's not for you or me or my dad or my mom or cousin or even God. Don't you get it? It's about protecting the innocent." Why do you continuously refuse to do the homework and then comment without even understanding the basics about what veganism is? Watch the documentary, watch Dominion.com, before commenting again. Then come back and tell people what you learned and that the reason someone should be vegan is because they're against rape, kidnapping, torture, and murder of billions of innocent animals, not because of something a dad, brother, mother, sister, cousin, Jesus, God, or anyone told them to. Be good. Because you have empathy. That's why you should be good. Be good because you can put yourself in the victim's position. Be better, be braver, be vegan, and start immediately. So listen, I do want to clarify one thing though. Let's say there is somebody in your family who is vegan, and they are vegan because of the animals. And they ask you, can you please be vegan in the home so that I don't have to be forced to look at the corpses of animals and be reminded of their suffering, be reminded of the torture that they have to endure, be reminded that their eggs and their milk is constantly being stolen. If that is the case and somebody asks you to be vegan in the household in order to help them feel safe and happy, that is something that you could do. However, again, being vegan really at its base is about the animals. And the reason that you should really be vegan is because you can put yourself in their place. And so I encourage you to do that. Go forward. Be vegan. Start now. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this content, press the like button. And if you want me to comment more about all of your different comments, let me know. Because it is very hard for me to do that in typing, and it might be more efficient for me to do it this way by way of video. You guys let me know, okay? See you in the next video. Heading over to TikTok now. Come, if you haven't yet followed me, my channel over there is called Music by That Vegan Teacher. I also have one called That Vegan Teacher Who Sings. Anyway, there's quite a few, and I go live there. So if you want to come and see me, we dance, we talk. I can answer your questions one-on-one there. Okay? I'll see you later. Bye. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's